So remember I was talking about the importance of synchronization of content, right?
Mhm.
Like this booth here, they got something really busy with some noise going on. They got some stuff in the background. It's all very cool, right? It
Yep.
is impressive. But then let's take a look at this. Which one amazes your eye more? What do you think?
Yeah. Cool.
Okay, so what have they done here? They're using nondescript lighting because the timing doesn't have to be perfect. They're
Mhm.
putting their brand in, they're repeating it in multiple shots, but really it's a trick to the eye. Got it? These are
Yeah.
all different size of panels, okay? All they had to do was put content in that closely matches the theme, but it's actually different pieces of content. Got it?
Mhm.
So you can move around a layer, right, Harvey?
Mhm.
It's nothing for you to do a transparent PNG of a brand and put it like that,
Yeah.
is it? Right?
Yep.
Now you understand the importance of the candles. Okay? You understand what we do for digital signage, so far as being able to do foreground and background and be able to adjust it live to the client. Because the client should be able to come in Zoom just like I am with my camera, and you're able to work on the booth live. Get their branding perfect, make it look like this. This should be your target experience. Somebody hires you to do branding for an organization, okay? You should be able to match the brand standards, have it look so close that they don't even know it's actually different video. Got it?
Yep.
Like this is a totally different video, but it has the same theme running through it. Look over there. Doesn't match, does it? See that? You see it when you look really close now.
Mhm.
That
Yep.
video over there is not even timed this video here, is it? It's a totally different video,
Yeah.
but it has a lot of the same themes to it that it makes it look like it all matches together. That is genius. The person that did the branding for this booth did a fantastic job. Okay?
Mhm.
They knew what they were doing. So let's take a look behind the scenes for a minute. We're going to go behind the booth here and take a look at what, again, you're looking at Lego. It looks all complicated, but it's actually not complicated. And then they just made some Lego that's half Lego. See that? Half Lego.
Yeah.
There's another half Lego. There's another half Lego. Once you know how to put this together, once you get trained by me on how to put the pieces together, you can do this. It's Lego. Got it?
Mhm.
Back, they're just showing the Lego here. Here's the piece of the Lego. Here's another piece of, I just keep saying Lego. Probably going to get problems with the branding saying Lego. But okay, so again, if they're showing off a different theme here, they want to make sure that it matches the brand standards all the way through. Okay, got it? So the back of this booth is purposely built like this, right? You want to be in the video too? Take a look. You're going to walk me through some of this? Yeah, let's take a look at this. Okay, it's a 1.9. Yes, yes. Okay, 1.5. So what the agent here is showing me is that this is only 1.5 mil between the little pixels. That means it's a very tight pixel pitch, which means that it almost seems lifelike, okay? But the price goes up a little bit because there are more pixels. Yes, okay? This one's 1 point, this is 1.2. What is this one again? 1.5, 1.2. That's cool that you put them together like this. So, guys, we're going to do this. 1.5, 1.2. See that? 1.5 looks really good, but if you look really, really close, you can see the little pixels in between. 1.2, you cannot see it. 1.2 is amazing. Yeah, do you have tighter? Yeah, you got, wait, really? Let's go check this. Can we go look at that? Yeah, let's go take a look at this. So what their agent is showing is that's an outdoor 1.5. How many lumens? How many lumens? 7,500. Sorry, how many? Oh, 3,500 lumens. Yeah? Okay. Wow. 3,500. Okay, guys. Well, I'm going to stop recording here because I'm going to talk to the agent here in the booth. But this is 3,500 lumens. This is outdoor bright 320 by 320 is a single panel. That is very interesting. Okay, so stop recording. I'm going to find out more about this panel, okay?